Hello, good peoples. How are you? How do you get rid of your unwanted hair? Do you use to shave using a laser, or you use to go for expensive waxing, or using some expensive creams, or use a shaving machine like this, or a simple hair clipper like this, or maybe an ordinary machine like this? If you use any of these methods, today we are showing you a very simple hack. You can do it at home, making a simple paste at home that you will use to get rid of any unwanted hair. This is very simple, and you will need only three ingredients to make a paste that will be used to remove any of your hair. This is very simple and works amazing. The first thing you will need is the most famous powder, that is Babe Johnson powder. And the second ingredient we shall be using to make this paste is a toothpaste. And the third one is tomato. Yeah, normal tomato, from your kitchen. Yes, we shall be making a simple paste and demonstrating how this works amazingly. Starting with the first ingredient, for the purpose of this demonstration, I will add around 1 tablespoon of this Babe Johnson powder. Yes, 1 tablespoon, an approximate amount of 1 tablespoon of this powder. I think this is enough. This is around 1 tablespoon, an approximate amount. Yes, this is enough. And then I will add some amount of toothpaste. Around a half teaspoon of this toothpaste is enough for the sake of demonstration. And you can use the same ratio in making this paste. Just add some amount, around half teaspoon to 1 teaspoon. It is enough. Well, let's cut a tomato here and grate it to make a tomato paste. We grate it to make a tomato paste. I think this paste is enough to produce like 2 tablespoons of tomato juice, and that will be enough for the sake of this amount. Yes, if that will be not enough, we might add some water to mix it. Let's try to mix if we can get the texture we want. After mixing for a while, the paste looks a little bit thicker, and that will be causing a fast dry. So I will spray some amount of water here, and see, this is some water to make it a little bit lighter. Let's mix and see. I want a simple paste to look like a creamy. I want a creamy paste, and the lighter one. It should not be very thick. I think this is simple. Yes, let's now let's apply. I will apply on a patch, on a sample patch here. I will just use my spoon. I don't have a brush right now here. Let me apply on a simple patch here and see what happens to the hair. Well, I have applied, and after applying, you can leave it for around 5 to 7 minutes, depending on the weather where you are. It may get dry. If it gets dry before 5 to 7 minutes, you can spray some amount of water to moisturize it, and to make sure that the paste works perfectly. So you can just spray some amount of water. In my case also, it is hot weather, and if you can see it, like it is likely to get dry, so I will spray some amount of water here to moisturize. And it is a fourth minute. It is a fourth minute since I applied, and I see that the paste is getting dry, so I am spraying some amount of water to moisturize it, make sure that the paste works perfectly. If you can see it, the hair are getting softer. Yes, the hair looks softer than the time I was applying. You see, the hair are likely to be falling compared to the area I haven't applied. So the hair are getting softer. So time to wipe away. 7th minute. So we wipe away. I am using a sponge. Let's see what happens. Oh wow, the hair simple like that, you see? Simple like that, the hairs can be removed. You see? No pain, no itching. Simple like that, the hair is gone and the skin is smooth. That is a very simple hack you can do at home to get rid of any unwanted hair using the 3 ingredients. You can try it by yourself to get rid of your unwanted hair at home, any of your hairs, your leg hairs, your armpit, your beard, or whatever hair you use to get rid of. This hack works amazingly, and I will be applying in the rest of my leg here to get rid of these hair. I was just showing you how this works, so I have to do it. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends. Send this video to a friend to let them know how this hack works amazingly. And thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and comment on this video. If you want to know about any hack, let us know in the comments below, and if we know, we shall share it with you. We shall make a video for you and show you how you can do that. Thank you.